Hello ladies and gentlemen, all of you, welcome to the channel of detailed recipes. Protein bar with cheese, sugar-free, healthy and homemade. Necessary ingredients: oatmeal, nut butter and peanut butter, peanut, unsalted curd cheese, banana, fresh coconut, black dried apricots, honey, dark chocolate for outer coating. You will need tools such as grater and blender. Baking paper and square tray. Let's look at how many grams of materials used. Crushed hazelnuts and peanut butter, a total of 150 grams. Curd cheese, 130 grams. This banana is a little small, use 2 if you make it, get 100 grams. 125 grams of oatmeal. Add the oatmeal to the blender and turn it into flour. Doesn't need to be like very fine sifted flour. Consistency can be the way you see. Grate coconuts with a grater machine. Finely chopped dried apricots. Add the ingredients to the mixing bowl. Add banana and honey. Knead ingredients with your hands. Add baking paper to the tray. Add the mixture and shape it by hand. Cut evenly with the knife after shaping it properly. "12 slices protein bar. Leave in the freezer for 2 hours. After freezing, you can remove it and make chocolate coating. Or you can pack it and store it in the freezer. Completely chocolate coating can dominate the taste of chocolate. My idea would be better just to cover one face with chocolate. Its taste is not bad, you can give children one every day. It is best to eat healthy. Average 50 grams protein bars, total 500 grams. Easy energy bars with dates, homemade and additive free. Materials: rolled oats, large and soft dates, walnut, almond, hazelnut, peanuts and sesame seeds. Coconut, nutmeg and cinnamon powder, honey, 200 grams of oatmeal, (210 grams of walnuts, peanuts, hazelnuts and sesame seeds). Hum should be at least 200 grams, 250 grams, more than here. 25 grams of coconut will also be used in some coconut water. 5 grams of cinnamon powder. Extract the core of dates and add them to the blender. Add some coconut water and bring it into a puree. Use a large mixing bowl. Add the oatmeal to the mixing bowl. Add the ingredients to the blender. Add cinnamon powder. Add coconut. Add honey. Honey can be a little more. Get 2 spoons of honey. Add palm puree. Mix ingredients with your hand completely. Check its consistency. It will not disperse when you tighten it by hand, it must stand as a whole. Place the stretch in the square container, and add the ingredients. Press it with your hand. After waiting 2 hours in the freezer, you can take it out and slice it. That's how you can prepare healthy energy bars. I prefer this instead of buying 20 grams, unhealthy and expensive bars. We have come to the end of the video prepared for you. Thanks to everyone who watched the videos and supported me. See you in a new video. Goodbye.